For this video, I thought I would do an upside down pizza because it's pizza and it's different. So for this pizza, I'm going to cut it in half. One side's going to be mine and the other side's going to be his. We'll start with some mushrooms on his and onions on mine. Then we'll add some ham on his and green pepper on mine. Next, I'm going to add some pepperoni all over the whole pizza because who doesn't like pepperoni? And then we're going to add some cheese throughout the whole pizza. I'm just using what I have. I had a marble cheddar mozzarella cheese. I forgot to add, we are putting all of this on a greased pan. Make sure you spray the corners and everything because I had some stuff stick to it. And yeah, just spray the whole pan really good. Now, I didn't add that much cheese because I don't like that much cheese, but you do whatever you like. Same thing with the sauce. I don't like a lot of sauce on my pizza, but you do you. I'm just making sure the whole pizza has a little bit of sauce on it. And it's kind of hard to brush around and spread, so I just made sure it was kind of covering the whole thing. So the crust was pretty easy to put on. I just bought a Pillsbury Doughboy crust, and of course it is a pizza crust, and you just kind of fit it throughout the whole pan, cover all the toppings, and kind of squeeze it along the edges, just so nothing leaks out and makes a huge mess in your oven. Now, I've heard of people having their pizza dough kind of blow up in bubbles. So I'm going to poke a whole bunch of holes on top of my pizza crust so it can breathe a little bit. And there you go, in a 375 oven for about 18 minutes. And it turned out amazingly brown and delicious. Now this part was a little bit fun for me, but I did figure it out and it wasn't that hard. So the big reveal. Like I said before, I should have sprayed it a little bit more because I did have some sticking on the pan. So some people might like the topping a little bit soft like that, but I didn't. So I actually put it under the broiler for another 4 minutes, and it turned out amazing, guys. It was so good. I love the fact that I can just cut the whole pizza in half and not have to worry about anybody not liking their toppings. So everything was delicious. The pizza crust, all the toppings were just perfect, and it was a delicious dinner. So thanks for watching, guys, and let me know if you make it. I'll see you in the next video.